Judges. This is Sujal Talreja from BVM Engineering College. I am making this video about the pre-hackathon assignment which was given to our team, the acceptance. The main objective of our assignment was to develop a basic analytic modules utilizing LangFlow and DataStack. So we basically had to use DataStack for database and LangFlow to create a analyze report about social media data. So the first challenge was to create a small database which simulates the social media dataset. For this, we created this data.py Python script in which we used the number of rows as 100 and we created a dataset which consists of carousel, reel and static search post types and we created this in a JSON format. This is the dataset. Now, to load this social media engagement with JSON file into a dataset, we created this flow in which we use the file component and we store the data into the data HTTP and we are using Google Generative AI embedding models. So let's store it. Yes. So now the data is stored, so we can quickly check in DataStack Extra website. Here is my project and in the social media engagement, there we can see the data. So after the data is generated, the next step is to analyze the post performance using LangFlow. Uh, and then here we created a different flow in which we used a chat input in which user can enter any query. Suppose we are taking this query. Suppose I am a new content creator trying to grow on social media. So you have data for all types of content. So tell me, should I make reel, post, or can so this was the chat input. We are creating a prompt to the AI, which is you are a social media analytics expert. You have access to a database social media engagement metrics with following, and we are providing the database fields and also providing the questions. Now, using these prompts and also the data from the HTTP, we are providing all this to an agent, which is using OpenAI model, specifically GPT-4, and the output is generated. So yeah, here we can see that the output is generated. Here is my question. Based on the social media engagement, here is a summary of average. So we are getting all the data about reel, carousel, and static posts and its average engagement rate. The recommendation is if you are a new content creator looking to grow, focus on creating reels and carousels, which is partially correct. Then we also made app.py using the code in the LangFlow, and we have also deployed this as a Streamlit app. So here is our Streamlit app, social media analytics assignment. Suppose we write a prompt that give me insights about post types. Uh, Here it has generated that carousel post has an engagement rate about this much. Reel post has an engagement rate like share, comments, etc. Views. Static post. Then general insights that reels are most engaging types with high engagement rate carousel. Yeah, so this is our website. We have created this GitHub repository in which we have all the code that we have used for this project. Here is the project overview. The backend technologies we used Python, Streamlit, OpenAI API, and DataStack. This is the project structure. We have app.py which contains the main logic, the data generation file, and the requirements.txt. If you have to use this and this step-by-step setup, just clone it and you can use it on your own machine. Thank you.